Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech video. Now this is a short video I actually wanted to do, and at the end of this video I did a time lapse. I changed out my blue fans that I had in the front, these Intermax, these little blue ones, and they came with the case. These are just 12 volts 120 millimeter fans, so I did switch them out. I did get something a little bit different. Now I did get these AIGO ring fans. Now they all come in different colors, but I did get the white, so it matches the white setup. I bought these fans $9. It's on Amazon. I'll put it down in the description below. So yeah, these are just 120 DC volt 12 120 millimeter fans. So but that's about it, guys. I did switch them out, and they actually came out pretty dope. You guys will see the video soon. So other than that, this is going to be a short video. The rest of it's going to be a little time lapse for you guys. If you guys want to check these fans out, they're only $9. They do come in different colors. I'll put down in the description below. Like I said, I'll put down my tech playlist down below. I wanted to do another PC installing fans and check these fans out. Now they do run really quiet. They're running pretty good, but for $9, what do you expect? Now the fan in the back, I do have a Corsair magnetic levitation fan. So these fans do come with a 3-pin, so and the modular wire. So I just plugged it in the front and it was good to go. Didn't take too long. So all right, guys, that's about it. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe. And if you like to see more tech videos like this, hit the comments down below and let me know. And I will check you guys later.